Okay, so my intermittent wipers were not working. They're only working on high. I replaced the relay in the under the hood, and that didn't change anything. So I went to the next step, and that was to actually replace the switch here, and it was like 35 bucks. And so it's an original GM part. So I got that, and I was hoping that this is all it is. So what I'm going to do is unlock this, pull this up, telescope it to really get all the casing out far enough. This is real time, so I'm going to do it quick. I'm going to loosen. There's 4 hex nuts under here. I think it's 9 30-second size, right? You could get an electric screwdriver and do it really quick, but I'm just showing you how fast this is just to do with me. There's 4 under here, real easy. And I just figured this out a while ago. So if I could do it, you know, most any of you guys can do it. You just got to figure it out, right? So part of it is pulling this thing out. I didn't even know this thing. This is a 2012 Buick Enclave. Really like it. Good car, good vehicle. We really like it. I had done a video on a gas cap on a Ford truck I used to have. I loved the truck, but it was a 2011 and it was a lemon, so we got rid of it. But I did like that truck. Anyway, so these snap together, and you just kind of give it a little bit of a, there you go, see, it just snaps out. There's the top cover. Okay, look at that. And now you don't even really have to take this other side off, but I'm just gonna show you that it snaps off too, okay? Real easy, and it kind of hangs on the locking mechanism. Just leave it. It's okay. Now, up here in the module, I'm going to switch camera view real quick. Well, I don't know if I can now. Right up here is these. Let's see if I can get you here. Okay, right up here, these clip out real easy, really easy. I mean, I just push on it and they'll clip out. So let me just do that. Put the camera back here, okay? I'm solo on this deal, so it really is. Just give it a bit of a chick and it comes out. You'll see the little push dealy. There's the other one. Now, I did change this. I wanted to do the video quick for it, but right here, you'll see these little press tabs, right? This thing fits right in, and to take it out, you press these and pull out, okay? So I'm gonna do that here real quick. Hold nose and it pops. Look at that, just slides out real easy. Slides out. I'm going to do it again. Now I'm putting it in. Here's the new piece. Hear that click? Really easy. Okay, now what I want to do is pop. Actually, let me take it back out. It's easier to put these in right now, honestly, than try to do it with it in. I thought it was easier to do it there. Now it slides right in. You hear that click? Totally easy. Okay, I'm not taking my time to take this to the dealership and lose my vehicle for however many hours and then pay somebody. This is too easy for us to do. Okay, get the part from a part shop. Now we're just going to go in reverse and put this back on. It's really easy. Just make sure you line up the shell casing inside of the little flexible housing. Go back underneath, make sure these tabs are lined in, and they're gonna kind of crunch together and fit in there. I hold it with one hand, put the other one up here, and again, line the little tabs up. Okay, snap, snap. Everything's lined up below. Remember, this is real time. We're at 4 minutes. Now I get these on lock. Now let's put it together, okay? My tabs are all smooth here. I don't cinch, I do a little, I don't cinch them all right away. I want everything to seat good. And you don't have to do a flathead screwdriver to split these apart. You'll start marring your plastic. Okay, you don't want to do that because you'll have these little nicks all over your plastic, and that looks bad, right? And you don't have to wrench on these. These are, you know, fairly snug. I have a little ratchet screwdriver. I got in a kit from Husky. That's great. It's an all-in-one little kit like this, right? Little kit, love it. I mean, it's so handy. You know, I work on a motorcycle a lot, and it might be a light or something, so a little snug. Telling you, you're gonna go, man, I'm doing this. I did the gas cap way back, and that would have been a $200 job, but I did it in like 15 minutes. And my daughter filmed it for me. It was funny. But anyway, that's it. Push it in however you want, lock it. Again, I didn't even know this had a telescopic. Okay, start it. Intermittent's not going to work because I'm under the carport, but my lows work, my highs work, and everything works on it. Okay, love this vehicle. It's great for our family. I hope this helps, and you don't need to subscribe to my channel. Just hopefully this gets out there for you to save you a little time and money. Yeah, that's me.